Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Nova app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Nova is a social networking and content discovery app designed to help users find and engage with trending topics, communities, and creators. The app offers personalized feeds, community groups, interactive content, and tools for sharing posts, videos, and images. Users can follow creators, join discussions, and explore curated recommendations tailored to their interests. Nova aims to combine social networking with content discovery in a streamlined, user-friendly interface. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Nova's intuitive navigation, personalized content feeds, and active community engagement. The app makes it easy to discover new topics, follow relevant creators, and participate in discussions. Notifications and trending updates keep users informed and engaged without overwhelming them. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report that content recommendations can occasionally feel repetitive or biased toward popular posts. Limited moderation in certain community groups can affect the quality of discussions. Additionally, while the app is free, some premium features or in-app boosts may require a subscription. In summary, the Nova app may be worth using if you enjoy discovering trending content, joining active communities, and engaging with creators in a personalized social feed. However, if you prefer highly curated or professional content, or dislike occasional repetition in recommendations, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.